In a bustling office kitchen, Sam opens the fridge and spots a familiar lunchbox. He grins, daydreaming about his homemade sandwich. But when he opens it, and finds only carrot sticks and a single pickle, his face drops. Cut to his coworker, munching blissfully on Sam's sandwich with a confused, guilty glance. Sam raises an eyebrow, holds up the pickle, and deadpans. "Trade?" The coworker shrugs, exchanging the sandwich for the pickle. Both nod in silent agreement. Office lunch karma strikes again, and tomorrow's lunch will be labeled